Hello everybody, welcome to grade 12 winter school. Here I will deal with Euclidean geometry. Remember, the syllabus specifies that 12 marks may be allocated to the proof of a theorem. Now you're in luck. The first question is a well-known theorem that is likely to appear in almost every paper. The question asks you to prove the tan-chord theorem. Make sure to study the proofs thoroughly, as it's expected to be a common question. And the good news is that the rest of the question is relatively straightforward. So once you've nailed the proof, you can breeze through the rest of it. Let's look at the question. Now this is the question where you will prove the tan-chord theorem for 5 marks. And this is the rest of the question. Read through it, look at the sketch, relate the information to the sketch, read the questions, and then let me explain.
9.1. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle. Points S, T, and R lie on the circle. Chords ST, SR, and TR are drawn in the circle. QS is a tangent to the circle at S. Use the diagram to prove the theorem which states that angle QST is equal to angle R. In other words, that one equal to R. So first of all, we start with a construction. We draw diameter KS and we draw KR. And then we start. Angle QST is equal to 90 degrees minus angle TSK. And the reason is radius perpendicular tangent. And then we get angle SRK. That angle is 90 degrees, and the reason is angle in semicircle. Then angle SRT is equal to 90 degrees minus TRK. We also get angle TSK is equal to angle TRK. And the reason is angles in same segment. And then since this one and that one is equal, we get that angle QST is equal to angle R. And where's the marks? For the construction, statement, reason, statement, reason, statement, reason, final answer. 9.2. Chord QN bisects angle MNP and intersects chord NP at S. The tangent at P meets MN produced at R such that QN is parallel to PR. Let P1 equal X. 9.2.1. Determine the following angles in terms of X. Give reasons. N2. Well, N2 is equal to X, and your reason is alternate angles equal because PR is parallel to QN. So it's that angle over there, also X, with 2 marks, statement reason. Q2 is X, and the reason is it's the tan-chord theorem. And if you look at this, it's the angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the opposite segment. So there's Q2, also X, and it's worth 2 marks. 9.2.2. Prove giving reasons that Mn over Nr is equal to Ms over Sq. So we start with Mn over Nr is equal to Ms over Sp. And the reason is because Qn is parallel to PR, we have that grade 12 proportionality theorem, which allows us to say that. Then N1 is equal to N2 is equal to X. That is given. Then P3 is equal to x. Why? Because of angles in same segment, and it's because that chord MQ subtends them. Then P3 is equal to Q2. Can you remember from the previous sum, because we said angle between tan and chord is equal to angle in opposite segment. So P3 is equal to Q2 because both are equal to x. Then we can say that SQ is in fact equal to PS. And the reason is sides opposite equal angles. And then we have that PS is equal to SQ, and that is exactly what we want. That MN over NR is equal to MS over SQ. And then where's the marks? The marks are here, statement reason, the given part, angles in same segment, statement reason, and then reason.
In the next video, I will deal with more Euclidean geometry. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to that lesson.